Alright guys, so first, once again, going in with the voltage. Sorry y'all, ignore that. Anyway, next going in with the voltage. Oh, I put way too much voltage, hold on. Okay, well, there we go. I'm out of voltage, so can't really use this anymore. But that's pretty much what it is anyway. That's almost pretty much how it would turn out. Basically, just without the whiteout. So here we go, gonna give this a quick taste. As you can see, it still has that purplish color. You can it definitely makes these two flavors stand out more, obviously, because you don't get the smoothness of the whiteout. But yeah, there you go. Do you want to give that a try?
Okay, I like that one. I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, okay.
That one's not bad.
I would have to give this one an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. It just does not match up to the same standard